Now let's get this. Pair this with a T. Like huge. Monitoring this, I don't really need that on that. Price does. Now, try this bloody. See if we can get banned on another TikTok channel, eh? So annoying. So annoying. Let's go. Whoop. Oh, joking. Category no. People blogs, education, entertainment. SW's in the chat. Let's go. How we doing? How you doing this morning, Russ? Hope you're well, mate. Hope you had a good weekend. Do 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 do. Everybody's a union member of TikTok or some bollocks. Like, honestly, seriously, just shut the fuck up and leave me. Right. Quarterly, get lead. There was a way of
Disclose live as disclose live as travel will be disclosed in sponsors content products.
It's I don't understand why it's all so complicated. Let's see how long we last. Might only be literally seconds, but who cares? Main focus now will be try and build some content for YouTube. I'm gonna have to go through do videos. There's probably a few things, like I might do a how to go through a trading plan, how to build a trading plan. That's one, but I feel like that might be a bit boring. But maybe the information will keep people interested. Building a trading plan, the top. I thought I was better, but I actually feel a bit like congested still. Need to sort these downtrends on my funded account. Are you in deficit? That would be. Make sure to add USD SGD to your watch lists, just to make sure. Just to make sure, because obviously it's not really a pair we've traded before. So USD Singapore dollar. It's got a nice trend on it. We'll have a look. We'll see. Obviously, we'd prefer to get in on the buy, right? But there's no reason why we can't look at the sell as well. Change this. Not like that. Let's see. Turn that black. Bougie, love it. Bougie, bougie, bougie. I like. Can we match that? As long as you guys can still see it, yeah, you can. What day is good for a call for you this week, mate? I'm only working evenings this week. Okay, so really Tuesday or Wednesday best for me, because the wife and daughter aren't around. Anytime after about 9 a.m, 8 a.m. I'm down. What would you like to go through? Yeah, let's do tomorrow at 10 then. Let's do it. You can do it tomorrow at 10 a.m. One call, go through any concerns you have or any questions you have and stuff. It'll probably be about 30 minutes. If that's all right with you. What I might do it as we'll probably do it as a Google Meet. Are you going to be okay with doing that though? Because I know sometimes your connection, you jump in and out of the calls. It'll be lovely, May. I doubt I need all that time. Fair play. Diesel, good morning. How are we doing? Welcome in, welcome in. Appreciate you guys over on YouTube. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. Obviously, you guys can see the screen. I know TikTokers can't see the screen. TikTokers, link in bio. Link in the bio for the YouTube channel. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can see the screen. Free 7-day trial. We've got 3 spots open for a free 7-day trial. All you've got to do is DM me your email address, but you only for 3 people. It's only available for 3 people today. So DM me your email address. You get free 7-day trial. Got the message in school. Message in school. What message? Yeah, my connection will be fine. I had to do an update the other day. Okay, cool. Fair play, fair play. Oh, right, I see. Okay, cool. Yeah, nice. Yeah, obviously, like, I think this will be what we'll be doing moving forwards. I think, like, I don't really know why I don't do, like, YouTube. TikTok is kind of, traffic on TikTok is insane, right? You get, the traffic just flows on TikTok, whereas on YouTube you don't really get the traffic there. You have to like lead traffic to YouTube, whereas TikTok people just constantly swiping, right? So it is what it is. Once you get going, you're laughing, plus you can get paid if you get good views. Yeah, 100%. That's it. I think it will take a long time, and I've just got to be consistent with it. So what we'll do is we will do daily, every day, trading on YouTube every single day, and then hopefully TikTok doesn't ban me at any point, and we can continue to go live. But I'm going to have to get more channels on TikTok as well, because they've literally, I had 3, and then by the end of last week I've got 1. So it's just ridiculous. Honestly, the algorithm sucks. It's what it is. It can't be helped. It just doesn't like you can't show anything of value on TikTok, right? You can't you can't even draw zones or anything like that. Like it's just stupid. And if I show people a zone on TikTok, then it's like I'm fraud scamming them. Like how can you fraud scam someone by showing someone a zone? I don't understand it. I really don't. But we will get over the bridge. No, I want this to be template. Then change that to the 4-hour zone. Yeah, boom. There we go. Lovely bit of squirrel, Jackie. Lovely. Yes, do spam the like on the stream because it will build the channel. So obviously the more we can build the YouTube channel, the better. To be honest, obviously I used to game, right? And I've got more subscribers on my gaming channel than I do on this one. But obviously I posted a lot on there. So it's up to me, right? I need to put the work in, and I can do that, right? I need to just be posting regularly on YouTube. And it's, we'll get there. It's going to be slow for a while, but we'll get there. But yeah, TikTokers, we are over on YouTube. Links in the bio. Check it out. Singapore dollar, not a pair I have looked at before. No, me neither, to be fair. I was literally, like I said in the community, I'm looking for something that's trending, right? We're always looking for something that's trending. And this is on a nice uptrend on the 4-hour. So obviously you got nice, clean, very structured here. So we will wait to see if we get a nice pullback. We can look for sells this side, but it's going to be less probable than the buy. But we need that pullback to come. If it doesn't, then obviously we wait for a break of structure, fresh 4-hour zone, and then we look at the next one. But from there, let's do it this way first. If you need help managing anything like socials, I can help free of charge. Appreciate you, Ross. Honestly, I think I'm all right for now. I think eventually when things get to a certain level, then yeah, I would love to get people to help me. And obviously, it won't need to be free of charge. So we'll just have to wait and see, be a bit patient. I'm good at networking and stuff and social media. Nice. It's more like I've got, you guys know Leon or Cranker. He's very good at doing edits and stuff like that. So I'm not bad. I'm okay. I can do CapCut. CapCut is a cinch. I can edit on CapCut easy, and it won't take me very long. But things like Adobe Premiere Pro, actually, it's so you've got Adobe Premiere Pro, and then you've got what is it? What do they use? I can't remember. But there's a software on there that he uses, and it's just crazy. It's so complicated. You see some of these videos where they've got lines moving and all this sort of stuff, and it's all a bit animated. I don't know why I'm kung fuing. All a bit animated, and it's just very, very complex for me. Gold in a few days, go up or down? Who knows? I think it will. I think it will go down. I think it will continue on a downtrend. We've got a couple of zones marked up over on YouTube. Check it out if you want to. But yeah, I think overall we're going to end up seeing a downtrend now. Guys, if you are new to the TikTok, channel, make sure you do pop some likes on there and drop a follow. If you want the free 7-day trial, we're doing a free 7-day trial, but 3 spots available only. DM me your email address and I'll send you an invite for the free 7-day trial. If not, you can join the community with the link in the bio, but you will have to pay. Give people the opportunity to try before they buy, right? You don't buy a Ferrari without test driving it first. We've already got our limit order set for editing and stuff. So yeah, obviously editing is just crazy. Like it is. Let's move this up top so it's. Yeah, I was paying for Trading Review, right? Like for their package thing. I was like, actually, I don't need to. Like, this is my problem, right? I sign up for so many subscriptions, and it's like I don't actually need them. And you just see all these things just pinging out of your account, and you're like, do I even need that anymore? I think I'm paying for Adobe Premiere Pro, and I don't even know how to use it. I need to cancel that. I'll do that after the stream, actually. Bits and Bobs 101, appreciate that follow. So yeah, we'll continue to monitor USD SGD. It looks like it's got some nice structure to it, right? I'm not a big fan of like these. There's a lot of these with no wicks on the bar. There might be a slight delay on YouTube as well. So with the live trading, I'm not sure if I can edit it to delete any figure it out. See if I can delete any delay. Guys, if you're new to the channel over on TikTok, make sure you do drop a follow and hit the like button. Check out the links in the bio. I'm in the festive mood today. Trying to cut back on sugar. Like I eat a lot of sugar, not just like out of the bag, obviously, but like in my coffees and my teas like that. So I'm now like trying to stick to coffee and tea without sugar. And tea without sugar is horrible. Coffee without sugar is fine, but tea without sugar, I just feel is just not the one. I wish Nas would give a pullback. Yeah, I know it's going to take some time. Obviously, I scalped a nice. I know we didn't all manage to get in, but I scalped a nice 100 pip move on Nas last week before the push up. But yeah, honestly, now it's just literally waiting for this zone. This is what we want to look at, or for some sort of change of character. Now it has left this gap, right? It's left this gap, and we know these gaps get filled. So eventually, price will pull back on this gap. But we'd like to see a candle close here, and then you may see an entry there, right? That zone. But I don't really want to risk that. We can monitor it. There's probably an introduced delay by YouTube on lives to allow them to block stuff if anything bad is happening on a live. Yeah, true. That's a good point. Because you see some of that, some of the stuff that all these kids are doing on like Twitch and Kick and all this sort of stuff. It's ridiculous. Honestly, ridiculous. Do you have a 5-year? No, I've only just started recording my my trades in the last 3 months. I've only been trading for 2.5 to 3 years. Gadget Gary, good boy Gary. Appreciate you too, Gary. Enjoy the rest of your day. Not a non-mitigated zone insight. I know, it's ridiculous. But this also, yeah, this needs to get filled, right? So I don't know. It may get to a point where it will fill this, touch, and push up again. But yeah, I'm not really looking at NAS right now because of just because of it. I mean, look at it. Literally last week, could have put a buy on NAS. Could have put a buy on Bitcoin. I'm sure. Yeah, S&P, US 30, everything, thanks to Trump, has just blown up, which is good. Like if you've invested in like the S&P and stuff, I'm sure you would be. I need to do more investing in that stocks and stuff like that. Really, Trump media went up like what 25% or something stupid. Obviously Tesla went up as well with Elon and his links to Trump. So I don't think he's been given his. He hasn't been given his position yet, right? I don't know how long it takes for something like that to be processed. It's like the position of like cost cutting within the White House or something. And then is it Candace Owens? Like she might be getting some sort of media position as well, apparently. Like I don't know. This is all just gossip I've seen on Twitter. This. January something. Oh yeah, obviously because he doesn't actually get put in office until January, does he? Trump doesn't. Look at that. That entry as well would have been beautiful. Look at that. That's just I'm so butthurt about that. Like the strategy, obviously shows the strategy, it worked really well, but the fact that we missed it, like obviously we didn't want to get in it because it was high risk. Like, it's ridiculous. It's a shame. It is what it is. This is the thing, like opportunities like this, you don't want to trade them because they're high risk, but you do want to trade them because the results you can get is just a bit mad. Robert Kennedy's doing something with the education board, and Elon's coming up with some financial efficiency plans or something like that. Okay, nice. I think I'm not gonna lie, I think it's a good move for the country. Like I know a lot of people have got their views, and you see all these people on bloody again X just like screaming and crying, saying they're leaving the country and all that sort of stuff. Trump's basically assembled the Avengers. I know, right? Like I'm not going to sit here and say that I know loads about politics because I honestly I don't. I really don't. Like I said, I saw a video. He said he's going after the deep state. I don't really know what he means by the deep state. Is that all like? I don't really know. I think he's going after the media as well, I believe. On like fake news and stuff. Seems like very rangy. These are all markets we don't really want to look at. Now, if you look at that market structure, compared to what we're looking at now, like this is what we want to see. Nice, clear, clean uptrend. Just have to patiently wait. Deep state sounds like conspiracy theory stuff, which I thought you like. Yeah, well, I am into all that sort of stuff, but like, I've never heard of it. Literally, Diesel, I only heard of it like 4 days ago. I might look into it. I mean, if someone can Google it for me right now, that'd be sick. I am very much into conspiracy theory stuff. I'm also like which I suppose is part of like the conspiracy stuff, like the whole Egyptians and how like the pyramids were built, and like was it really humans that built the pyramids? Like the size of some of them rocks, it's like. Eesh. Oh yeah, man, Bohemian Grove is crazy. Honestly, like, there's so many things I would, but I don't think we're going to get answers to a lot of things in the world. Maybe we'll Trump even said that he might the Epstein list and the Diddy list and all that sort of stuff might be releasing all that, and it's like, oh. And then you see all these celebs leaving the country because Trump got elected. But is it because Trump got elected, or they're on a certain list that they don't want to be, known to be on? I think probably just because they've been there doesn't mean they necessarily did anything crazy, but they probably did. Graham Hancock is the man to learn stuff from like that about. He's incredible. Oh, really? I have to check him out. Guys, if you're new to the TikTok channel, make sure you drop a follow. We've got a free 7-day trial within the community. Just drop me your email address for be able to enter for the free 7 days. We've only got 3 positions available. 3 positions available today. I need to check my messages to see if any of those have been taken, actually. But also, we're showing the screen over on YouTube. Links in the bio. Check us out. Yeah, he's got a Netflix series where he basically argues with archaeologists, saying there is so much more to it than we know. Yeah, there is. Like the fact that the pyramids are aligned with the stars as well, right? Like how, back in the day, how have you measured that? Why have you even thought of that? Like, why would you think, okay, stars are here, 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 and here, and then obviously I'm just not. I'm not clever enough to figure that shit out, but. You know what I mean? I'll stick to trading. I won't stick to science. Morning, how we doing? How we doing, Leon? Welcome in. How was your week of Bitcoin rocketing up? Yeah, it's absolutely flying, Bitcoin. Probably so is all the other crypto. How you doing, Neil? Did you have a good weekend? Swifty TT, appreciate that, Rose. You didn't have to do that. Much love. Thanks for the likes as well, guys. We are live over on YouTube, sharing our screen, so feel free to check us out over there. And we do have the free 7-day trial as well. Appreciate you all. We are growing this channel. This is now my primary channel. My other main channel got suspended, unfortunately, or deleted. So this will be our main account. So we'll be building this. This will be the view from now on, right? For TikTok, unfortunately, this will be the view because we can't risk to keep getting our account deleted because it's a lot of work. As most of you know, building channels up, it's an absolute pain in the ass. So, what we're doing is we are, going live on TikTok and going live on YouTube as well. So you get the balance of both, and hopefully you can find me over there as well. Yeah, mate, it was good. Yeah, it was pretty good to be fair. What did we do? We didn't do a lot. started stripping. Oh, I played paddle. Actually, I played paddle Sunday morning. I was feeling better, but I'm feeling a bit, I don't know, off it today. I say I had a nice weekend. Yesterday was an absolute pain in the backside, right? I almost died from an electric shock from a light switch. Hang on, warning, the stream's current bitrate is blah, 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 lower than the recommended bitrate. We recommend stream state is good. Fine. No. Yeah, so yesterday, almost died from an electric shock from touching a light switch. Not sure how. I just finished my dinner. I had sausage, mash, and gravy, Yorkshire puddings, carrots, all that sort of stuff, and it was banging. And then I get up, turn the light switch on or off, can't remember, touched it, and literally zapped my middle finger. It hurt like hell, right? And then the lights started twitching out, and I turned them off, and they would just kind of go a little bit dim. I turn them on, they go brighter, turn them off, they go dimmer, and then I was like, I turned them off at the fuse box, left it for a bit, and then turned them back on at the fuse box. And then they started like, again, it would be the same thing, and then they started going dimmer, 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 and then they would go off when after I turned them off. But now it seems fine. And then the boiler, because I'd originally, because I got electrocuted, I turned the whole house electrics off. I turned them back on again, which obviously tripped the boiler. So then the boiler stopped working because my missus was running the tap, and obviously hot water, there was no hot water. So I was like, electricity's messing up, boiler was messing up. I was stripping wallpaper as well. I've just played paddle, so I was like knackered also. But it was a bit. Paul, appreciate the four roses there, Paul. You absolute legend. Hope you're well, mate. We are over on YouTube as well. If you want to catch us on YouTube, Paul. We're sharing the screen on, and we're chatting over on YouTube, because basically YouTubers, TikTok got rid of my other two accounts. This is our main account, but yeah, appreciate you, absolute legend. Hope you're well. How's the girls? How's work? So Mike and Steve have got work down in London. They're working on East Mids Rail in London, I think, for the moment. But Mike was out of work for like 4 weeks. Proper bad. I feel for them. So yeah, my Sunday was absolute. Maybe something had nibbled your cables whilst lights were off. Who knows? Every time I do something though, like every time, literally shocking. I get it, because it shocked me. Shocking. I get you with your dad jokes. What was I going to say? I was going to say something good. Yeah, I phoned my father-in-law as well, and he was like, I just pull the socket out and have a look. I haven't done it yet, to be honest. Every time I seem to like do some sort of decorating or something to the house, like things just seem to go wrong. And it always costs you more money because there's always problems that have been left by previous owners or whatever. Yeah, not traveling that anymore. I know London is way too far. How much start trading do you reckon? Honestly, it is entirely up to you. I would personally recommend getting educated before you start. If you know how to trade, then I would look at prop firms. But otherwise, I would recommend getting education first. Bad excuse for poor workmanship. Yeah. Start revealing more issues. Yeah, exactly. Like, I'm now stripping the wall. Like, obviously we've got the bathroom wall, right? It's got the hallway one side of the wall, and then the shower on the other. I'm starting to strip it, and there's so many cracks in the wall that I feel like all the plaster's going to fall off. So like, are you saying my bad poor workmanship, or their poor workmanship? Honestly, I haven't really done a lot, to be fair. I've only started stripping them. I need to work out today. But yeah, sure. Nice ball, thank you. Of course it would be. I've still got that bloody thing on my... I don't have to get rid of that. I've tried turning it off, it doesn't make it. Make sure you like, subscribe. to the YouTube channel. I appreciate you. We're going to go live for about an hour, and then I'm going to get some lunch, work out, spend some time with the family. It is bank holiday today in the US, right? So we probably expect this evening to be a little bit less of less volume because it's US and Canadian bank holiday. It's Veterans Day. Then obviously we had Remembrance Sunday yesterday as well. I'd like to get in our gold trade today, which that'd be, I don't think we're going to get pushed down. Well, after I've done, what we're going to do is obviously I'm going to decorate the hallway. So my missus has given me an image that she's got from Pinterest or wherever, and she is so I've got something I can go off, and then I need to build a handrail, and there's also but it's good because I'm not like I say I'm not like obviously I can build a train, right? I can build a train easy as anything. Also French bank holiday. Yeah, I don't know what the bank holiday is for France today. If anyone knows. Mars is pushing down as well. I don't know, why have you not saved the way that I made you? Oh no, I didn't want to do it. I like trading with you, but it is a pain in the ass sometimes. By the way, what's your YouTube now? My YouTube is in the link in the bio. Craig, good morning. How you doing, Craig? It is Trading with Alex, Sideways Dash 1. The challenge of ignoring silly questions. That is today's challenge. Then bank holiday probably because of World War stuff, like I remember Sunday. Yeah, true. Yeah, hopefully, like the zone's quite far, but I do like the zone. Like it is a really nice zone. It's a really nice setup. So let's see how it gets on. Like it's definitely the best zone to go off, I think. So yeah, let's see. Really nice setup. I actually like this USD SGD Singapore dollar US dollar setup is really nice as well. I just don't like how small the zone is, but let's see. Let's see. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do drop a sub, please. Drop a sub, drop a like, because it all helps towards like the whole like algorithm stuff on YouTube. Now we will be listening to obviously non-copyright music still, because when you record on YouTube, obviously they stay on YouTube, but if you have like copyright issues, they just blank out the sound. So obviously I don't want to have, if anyone wants to watch the recording, I don't want them to have the have it all blanked out. Do you know what I mean? But guys, just remind me to stay consistent. Like I'm very consistent with my ooh, this is fancy. Appreciate you. How you doing? Risk the ban. I'm not risking the ban. Appreciate them likes, guys. Let's go. So yeah, just gotta stay consistent. Bro, go on. Licked. They're all copyright free songs. Loads of guys like Chris MD uses it. Okay, licked. That sounds really, really strange. not the greatest name. The problem is though, it's when they go from being non-copyright to copyright and you don't know about it, you got licked. That's grim. Paul with your old school gaming logo. Yeah. So that's how Google see the results. Yeah, you won't, yeah, you'd like to do that alone. Honestly, the Tate brothers just have a crazy, like what they've been able to build is insane. It's basically Spotify but for copyright-free music. Ah, okay. Is it an app? Is there an app? It sounds dodgy. 100% these. It's like, do I really want to do that? I feel like if I like download Licked or use this Licked or whatever it is, I'm gonna end up with like thousands of viruses on my. And then some guy goes, got licked, got licked. So like off Jurassic Park. I'm gonna start on films again. Fine, don't trust me. No, I will check it out. I promise I will check it out, but it just sounds dodgy. Like James sent me a link for the football, right? I haven't even checked it out, to be fair, but it also sounds dodgy. It's like anything that's free nowadays. Can you really trust? Here we go. It is Craig. Here we go. What are you saying, Craig? How you doing? I'm still not going to answer it because I'm still live on that channel, so I'm still not gonna ask questions, answer questions about the challenge, bro. Do you want to know about the challenge? You join the community. This is better. Oh, you like this? Basically, all big YouTubers with millions of subs use it on their videos. So I'm sure it's... okay, cool. Guys, if you are still on the YouTube channel, make sure to check on the TikTok channel. Make sure to check us out on YouTube. The link is in the bio. We've got free 7-day pass as well for 3 people. Right, there's 3 spots available for a free 7-day pass. DM me your email address, and I will send you your invite through there. Otherwise, the link's in bio and you can purchase it through that. I was on TikTok wondering who you were talking to. Yeah, the whole crew's here. You're missing out. Just over here talking to myself. We get some free food. Yeah, I know. There's some. I think is it some of the Champions League games are on Prime. That happened a long time ago. long time ago. But yeah, we're going to look at the USD SGD. Obviously, we've got the NZD CAD zone as well. This I like this now with the breaker structure on USD CHF. I like this as well. This looks nice. Nice setup, nice zone. So we may put a limit order on that as well. And NAS, I don't really know why I've got. NAS is always the top because it's my favorite, but at the moment it's just nothing to. Gold, we're waiting for the pullback down to our zone. The door is shouting at me. Like the 2-screen setup. Good luck today, all. Nice. Appreciate you. Really, if I'm honest, I need to get some more because when it's okay at the moment because there's not much to look at on the charts, right? But when when everything's going on, you need to have eyes everywhere. You miss out on opportunities sometimes. Get some Champions League and some Premiership too. Okay, nice. But they have all the good stuff on Sky, don't they? I don't really like. Sky gets expensive. You can sign up for I think you get 12 months and it's a decent price, and then after that 12 months, they quadruple the price. You end up spending over 100 quid, and it's for the sport, it's almost worth. I do like the sport. I like the Formula One. I like the football, but I don't really have a lot of time to watch. When you've got kids and trying to trade and manage a business and other commitments and stuff. It's really just difficult. There's no point spending over 100 quid on TV you don't watch. Hello mate, what's your trade in when entering a trade? I like to drop down to the 1 minute time frame. Just give me 2 seconds. I like to drop down to the 1 minute time frame as an entry confirmation. But Will, yeah, I've got a 7-day free trial within the community. If you want to try it out, just DM me your email address and you can give it a shot, mate. There's no obligations afterwards. If you don't want to carry it on, you just leave. And then if you want to stay and sign up, then it's all good. Nice, mate. Do you use fib levels? No. No, we don't need fib levels. We don't need indicators. It's literally I like to make it as least complicated as possible because I want it to be easy for people to learn. I think all indicators lag, right? There's no indicator or anything like that predicts the future of the way the price is going to go. Some people like to use them as confirmations, but all you need is market structure and price action. That's all that people in the basic way trade. That's all that everyone trades that. They just add layers of shit on top of it, basically. Yeah, I do the same, Diesel, to be fair. Help me, guys. Do I trade legs or push day today? I mean, I always like a push day on a Monday. It just depends on when the last time you trained legs was. I'm fresh on both, to be honest. Legs is a good idea. Get it over with. FX, appreciate that follow. Start mewing. What do you mean? What's mewing? Sorry, AZ, I'm not down with kids. I don't know what that means. Depends also whether or not legs is your weak point and knee building. Yeah, like I got to a point where I started training legs twice a week because obviously, like it is. I think it's like it is a big muscle, isn't it? It's difficult to build. I do push pull legs 2 times a week. Oh, fair play. See, I never did it like that. I always broke it down into individual body parts. Where am I based? I'm based in the UK. Guys, we're live over. You can see the screen over on YouTube. So check the link in the bio. We're over on YouTube if you want to check out the setups that we are looking at. Yeah, I used to do that, mate, but I see much better results doing PPL. Fair play. Of each their own. How do I... I'm not a body parts person, but I guess it's whatever works. But yeah, you got to find something that works well for you. Sorry, guys, let's just look at something else. Yeah, you've got to find what works well for you. Whether that's, separating the body parts. Like, I like to separate the body parts because I like to just annihilate that section. And then I will just go through it. I will normally do it like a 5 split. So it will be like, obviously, chest, back, legs, shoulders, arms. And then I will go through it again. Chest, back, shoulders, legs, arms. Or it'll be chest, back, shoulders, arms, legs. Sorry, because I don't do arms and then do chest again. I always make sure that legs is done before my chest day, and then obviously chest day, back day, shoulders. Obviously, you don't want to do chest. You don't want to do shoulders after you've done chest, because obviously there's a lot of pressing. Not that I've been to the gym for God knows how. Yes, I know, guys. I don't look like I go. I used to be a tank, right? I used to be in good form, but like, it's just I do that. I'm working on belly at the moment. Yeah, see, I never really focused on abs. Probably why I'm fat, because obviously fat is mainly like your belly's mainly food and cardio. And then obviously when you're weight training anyway, like there's a lot of full body like compound movements. So your chest press, your bent over row, your deadlifts, your pull-ups. They're all exercises that will help you with your core as well. So I hate squats. Squats as well. I hate squats. Don't mind my most other legs. So yeah, squats are deadlifts and squats for me. But being 6'3", right, doing deadlifts and squats is an absolute ball ache because it's just so far to the floor, right? I feel like shorter people have an easier time when it comes to doing deadlifts and squats and stuff. That coffee is well and truly cold now. I'm going to draw up, because obviously, like I said, I've got my dumbbells here. I'm going to draw up a workout plan to do from home, because I don't work out enough at home, and I think it's because I haven't got a structured plan. So I just need to stop being lazy and just start doing a workout plan and doing it more daily. Like next year, you are going to see me literally I'm going to be really, really committing to health. I know, like, there's no time like the present to start, which is why obviously I am going to start working out. But I mean, like, I'm going to start doing cardio and eating right and everything. Like, getting 10k steps in a day, because sitting here is mainly my issue, right? It's because I'm sat in a chair for hours and hours a day. It's just not good for me. So I need to make more of an effort to like go for walks, go for jogs, do more cardio. Like I love paddle. If you haven't played paddle before, just go on YouTube or TikTok or whatever, look up paddle. Like, it's such a fun sport. It's so fun. Actually won yesterday. Me and my brother-in-law are unbeaten for 2 games in a row, or 2 matches in a row, which is nice. And then I'll play again on Thursday. I've got another game on Thursday evening, so that'll be fun as well. I'm really, really enjoying it. I'm starting to like, because we're getting a rhythm of playing it, I'm starting to be able to hit nice shots and stuff. So it's Lift Lab Limited starting out. Yeah, I know. Honestly, I will. I'm gonna write up a plan, draw up a fitness plan, workout plan, and I'm gonna just do like a Google spreadsheet. I know, like, obviously with dumbbells, all you need is dumbbells, really. Like, you can do a solid workout at home with dumbbells. If you want to get massive, it's gonna be more difficult. But I don't, right? I'm 37, I think. I just want to tone down. I just want to be healthy. I'd like to see some sort of abage, or at least have a flat stomach. Like, I went to paddle yesterday, and all 3 of the lads at paddle were older than me, but they're slimmer than me, right? Like, I'm not massive. Like, I'm not fat, but I'm still fatter than everyone. Still fatter than everyone else. And like everyone knows, I'm very competitive. And like, I might be the fattest one there, but I've still got the highest rank of all the paddle players, right? Like, my score is above everybody else's. Not gloating or anything, but I'm just saying, just because I'm heavy set doesn't mean that I'm shit at the game. And I know I can do the cardio because I play, but I just think, well, imagine how well I would play if I lost a bit of weight. Like, my reactions are good. Like, I can even, like, getting to the ball. I can get to the ball. I'm not like one of these guys that start prancing and fucking slow motion to the ball. But I just feel like there's some shots that I think, well, or like halfway through a game or whatever, I'll be puffing and I'll start making stupid mistakes because I'm knackered. Whereas if I'm not knackered, obviously I'm going to play better. I've always been worried about being injured, squashed by a barbell when doing squats. Yeah, well, that's the thing though. But is that because your ego lifting? Like, is that because you want to lift heavy weight? And like, there's supports, right? You've got whatever gym you go to, they'll have some sort of bar, the safety precaution bar that, like, if you squat down and you need to drop it, you can drop it. Like in a squat rack, that's what the squat rack's for, right? And I think this is the problem, that people are too like worried about other people seeing them drop the bar or whatever. I think at the end of the day, if you drop the bar, that's good because you're pushing yourself to your limits. Like if you see someone and they do, I don't know, 4 sets of 12 reps on squats and they're squatting, I don't know, 50 to 100 kg or whatever, and they're doing it easily, well, yeah, well done you for doing that. But have you really pushed yourself? Because to me, you don't look like you broke a sweat. See, I've got, like, everything's here. I know what to do and how to do it, but I just don't. This is the problem. Like, I instill discipline and structure to my trading, but I need to do it to my life as well. Like, I thought it would be, like, I thought it would have to be the other way around. Like, you have to be disciplined and all this sort of stuff in life. But it's like, trading's taught me so much. Not just obviously how to trade and all that sort of stuff, but like within life, it is so good. Honestly, so good. We didn't look at confirmation down. Yes, we got the change of character. Yes, my gym only got those supports recently, not because of ego or trying to lift it up. Ah, okay, cool. Yeah, so try and use the support because obviously safety is the main thing, right? Like I said, I used to go at like 3 o'clock in the morning. No one would be there, and I always thought, well, if I was to have a heart attack or something right now, like there'd literally be no one here, and I'd be laying on the floor until someone found me. I've got all congested again. Yeah, hack swap machine's good as well. Right, guys, it's been an hour, so I'm going to call it a session there. I don't want it to go on for too long. We will go live later again today. IDLs are the best leg exercise. I never really did them, to be fair. But I have to, like, I pulled my back. I did. Have you guys ever heard, what's it called? It was like this high intensity training back in the day. What's it called? Let me try and Google it. Like, more for the older people. I'm not sure Ross will have heard of it. He might have done, fair. I'm find it's quite old, so it might not come up. Oh, I've literally got it on a USB stick. It was so popular, but it was like a couple £100, but I managed to get it on a stick. Hey, I'm almost 30. The rip your hammies hard, mate, so good. Yeah, I bet. I have to find it. I can't remember what it is. But like I say, I've got it on. Oh, it's one of these. I think it might be this one. I'll just try and figure this out, and then we'll be jumping off. Give me 2 seconds. Insanity, that's what it's called. Insanity workout. So I've got that. I've got the videos for that. So I'm gonna probably give that a go as well. But I can't plug it into my TV. I can only plug it into my laptop or into my PC. So yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a day there. T, appreciate you TikTok. 3-7 day pass. If you drop me your email, I'll check you guys later. Thank you for the love. And YouTube, you guys are absolute legends. Appreciate the love. Yeah, check out Insanity Fitness. It's honestly, it's so it's insane. If anyone wants it as well, I might be able to share it. But yeah, I will see you guys later on. I'm gonna grab some lunch with the missus and work out, and then hopefully, I don't know if we'll go live again today because obviously it's bank holiday. I think it's gonna be dead, and I don't want to just bore you guys, right? So we'll see what happens with price on this one. And then we may go live again just tomorrow. We might leave it today. Appreciate the support, everyone, and see you later.